money and business general knowledge questions. Which company did Jeff Bezos found in 1994? Option A. Amazon. Which currency is used in Japan? Option A. Yen. Which company is known for its golden arches logo? Option C. McDonald's. Which exchange sits on Wall Street in New York? Option D. NYSE. Which company did Gates and Allen found in 1975? Option C. Microsoft. Which country has the largest economy by GDP? Option D. USA. Which company first hit a $1 trillion valuation? Option A. Apple. Which term describes a sustained rise in prices? Option A. Inflation. Which billionaire co-founded PayPal, then Tesla? Option B. Elon Musk. Which crisis hit after the subprime mortgage collapse? Option C. 2008 crisis. Which company runs Amazon Web Services, AWS? Option A. Amazon. Which indicator measures a country's total output? Option D. GDP. Which cryptocurrency was the first and remains largest? Option A. Bitcoin. Which retailer did Sam Walton found in 1962? Option D. Walmart. Which countries share the euro currency? Option C. Eurozone. Which streaming giant began as DVD by mail rental? Option C. Netflix. Which law links price rises to falling demand? Option D. Law of demand. What is the US central bank called? Option B. Federal Reserve. Who is known as the Oracle of Omaha? Option C. Warren Buffett. Which firms have split their stock many times? Option A. Both B and D. What term describes 2 quarters of negative GDP? Option C. Recession. Which retail founder stayed frugal despite his wealth? Option C. Walmart founder. Which 1929 crash triggered the Great Depression? Option C. Black Tuesday. Which theory backs government economic intervention? Option A. Keynesian. Which company began in a Harvard dorm room? Option B. Facebook. Which asset gives partial ownership in a company? Option D. Stock. Which country issued a $100 trillion note? Option C. Zimbabwe. Which pricing strategy undercuts to kill rivals first? Option D. Predatory pricing. Which decade-long crisis began with the 1929 crash? Option D. Great Depression. What does the Magnificent Seven stock group mean? Option A. Big tech stocks. Which company owns both Google Search and YouTube? Option D. Alphabet. Which 1998 payment company later linked to Elon Musk? Option D. PayPal. Which coffee chain began in Seattle in 1971? Option B. Starbucks. Which carmaker pioneered the moving assembly line? Option B. Ford. Which company owns Instagram and WhatsApp? Option C. Meta. Which firm issued the first public stock in the 1600s? Option A. Dutch East India. Which 1637 bubble is history's first major crash? Option B. Tulip Mania. Which deal did Blockbuster reportedly turn down? Option B. Netflix buyout. Why has Coca-Cola's formula stayed secret so long? Option B. Trade secret. Why do central banks target a small positive inflation? Option B. Avoid deflation. Where does the term blue chip stock come from? Option C. Poker chips. How long did Amazon take to post its first profit? Option D. Nearly a decade. When did most of Buffett's wealth actually build up? Option B. After age 50. What controversial ingredient was in early Coca Cola? Option B. Cocaine trace. How does McDonald's profit heavily from real estate? Option B. Owns land. How did Nike's founders first sell their shoes? Option C. Car trunk sales. How frugal was IKEA's founder despite his wealth? Option A. Very frugal. How did Airbnb's founders first make money? Option A. Air mattresses. What embarrassing moment inspired the credit card? Option D. Forgot wallet. How did a failed adhesive become the post-it note? Option A. Accidental adhesive. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes and new challenges every time.